Oh, I'm 123 subscribers. That's pretty nice. Love the number. Love the number. T Champel. Champlain. It sounds very, very classy. Another make alerts now. I have a bad feeling about this. Yes, I do. Fuck. Shit. I did this. Did that one too. I'm just gonna click through it. It's very good, very good. Start the recording. Welcome back, welcome back. I'm not David Style. Stream, subscribe, comment, drop a like if you haven't. Let us come back to the Android development tutorial. Get user input in an app. Part 2. Write some instrumentation tests. No clue what that means. Let's go. Boy, boy, boy. I probably need the tip tab app. I mean, it was kind of annoying last time to try to drag things around without a mouse. Last time Last time we were swapping a bunch of existing elements with material components, which apparently is probably like some library things. It's easier to scale, easier for later releases. But today, let's see. Create the instrumentation test directory. Start. Both this is fully functional, but it's taking lacking both test and testing directories. Before we write tests of any kind, we need to add the directory to your instrumentation test. Once you have downloaded the startup, will perform following steps to add files to for instrumentation tests. The easiest way to do this is to first switch from the Android view to the project view. In the project pane at the top left, click the drop down that says Android and select project. The project view will now look like this. And in source, do a new directory, and then ask for name. Android Java for some reason. Let's see, project, no source. I already have that though. New directory. I already have Java though. So it's here. Package. It's already here. Calculator. What? This new Kotlin class file. Calculator test. Calculator test. Okay. Let me delete that and try again. Boom. Instrumentation test, meaning so black box testing, just input and output. Looks like that, okay. Not sure what that means. Cannot touch UI without marking activity object. White box text, blah blah blah. I guess it's, you can see the inner diagram, I guess. Instrumentation test runner, which allows the test to execute on the device or emulator. Test several other instrumentation runners, but for this, select Android JUnit 4 test runner. Boy. Yep. Need import. Actually, is this smart enough to? Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it would be smart enough to know what library I should import. Get it? Option return. Option return. Never mind. It is smart enough. It's very good. Let's see if it's the same. Yeah, it's basically the same. Welcome back, Sashi Praveen. Let's return Dale. I forgot what is Neo used in C++ or JavaScript. I can't remember. Or something else, or Flutter. Yep, I don't have that many people that drop me comments. I'm not that old yet. Still got a decent memory. Everything is now set up to begin running testing logic. Single activity, main activity. In order to interact with this activity, your test case must first launch it. Okay. That launches the main activity and nearby test logic. Calculate 20% tip. Okay. Should this be within? Why is it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, should be here. No, doesn't like it. Use Expresso for instrumentation tests. Expresso is a library that comes ready to use with the Android object which created with Android Studio. As you interact with UI components through code. At this point, you may have noticed that Android Studio has a lot of autocomplete features. Nice. One challenge was working with the expression is that the methods do not autocomplete if the library hasn't been imported. Makes sense. Now, this can make it difficult to navigate the available methods in Expresso without researching documentation. Throughout this lessons, we will be providing you with the methods needed to complete the test. First, you need to write code to enter the pure amount of calls to service. Input text view. So we have the ID. Remember the ID of this thing. Copy the ID name. So you probably interact with it. It's kind of like you launch the thing. And on view. Object parameter view matcher is essentially a UI component that matches a particular criteria, which in this case is a component that has the ID, calls of service edit text. Then with ID returns a view matcher, that is the UI component. Basically, find the object to find the UI component to match. It's not checking my mouth. Number of methods that run and return a reaction, but for now, we're going to use the type text method. In activity XML, we can see that the default tape option is 20%, so for the time being, you don't need to specify which tape option to select. Text is not entered, then the test needs to click the calculate button. The code for this follows a format similar to the one we used to enter text. The component is different, so the ID names that is passed to the with text function is different. However, the only difference in the approach is that reaction is different. The click function is used instead of type text. Basically, select the object, and then this is the perform the action in this function. This one is type the $50 in there, and then this one is click it. Then we check the results. Matches, yep. And all this should be here. Eh, Welcome back, Robotic Hack. Good to see you. Use a different interaction called check. This is the perform, use check. Because this one is special enough. Different interaction called check. Takes a view assertion. It's a different thing. Okay, it looks real. No, this one's outside. Why? Oh, I guess you want to start it first and then you do these test cases. It's turning on. Let me put it to the same. No, can't put it there. Okay. What does it say? Still getting the test results. Boy, boy, boy. Why don't you run? Okay, passed. Wait, what? Oh, it runs the whole test suite. Cool. Honestly, don't know why I didn't show up there. You can see that, really? Show me. Let me zoom in this way. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. We'll do it one more time. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. Not sure how useful that is, but that's pretty cool. I guess it's cooler when there are like more delays and there are more interactions built in than the simple checks. Expand test rate, nope. I don't care. Summary. Generate necessary test cases when the project is grayed out. If you encounter a project that doesn't have to read them manually, then test rules run before every test in a test class. That makes sense because you need no activity you start first to test on. Expressor is a fundamental component of instrumentation test enable interaction with UI using code. Okay, it's basically like catching the component and then typing out the actions and then applying the actions. Okay, cool. This is the harvest done. I'm gonna stop recording and record the next one. Welcome back, welcome back. Same day of streaming, subscribe, comment, drop a like if you haven't. Today we just finished the instrumentation test collab. Let's do the quiz, see if we passed it. Let's go. Nani? Oh, thought I didn't display properly. Which of it produced an error? The wrap content is pretty standard for width and height. Doesn't. No, this is like within one tag, so I think this line 1 is fine. Line 3 is simple after Android layout height was simple. Oh, yep, equal symbol. Line 4 Android padding attribute does not exist for. I think it does. Line 5 you should use. Still title. No, I think the string is fine. Misquotations around the value of 18 SP. I think this is true because similar to DP, I think text in text strings. Which of the following is true about Gradle? Okay, I'm really not familiar. Automated build system. Okay, to build an app, handles installing your apps on device, maybe, probably not. Gradle file is XML. Is it? Build a Gradle. This one. Yeah, I don't know if this is XML. You can configure activities XML, main activity. You can configure Android specific options for project Android apps. Build Gradle file. Yeah. For you cannot change after you initially create. No, you can't. I was just about to change it. Which of the following statements about app icons are true? It's sufficient to provide single bitmap image. Nope. Nope. Density qualifies for resource directories to indicate that these are resources to be used device with a specific screen density. Okay. Medium, high, extra high, extra high, extra high. Adaptive icons are made of a foreground background layer and OEM mask they will apply on top of them. I don't know about this OEM mask, but I think the foreground applies on the background. Vector. Struggles only work for certain screen density and should not be scaled. No, I think vectors are meant to be scaled. Number 3 looks kind of true though. I forgot whether the foreground is already cut to size or not. Which of the below steps are part of changing the color of your app theme? Okay, you want to modify the themes file. Okay, set the colors of the themes, define an color using your app as color resources. Okay. Colors.xml, set the background color in the activities layout file. Probably not there. Set the color attribute for your UI components. Okay. Change the name of your. Actually, no. Change the name of your theme to your preferred color. No. It's kind of like if you call carrot banana, it's not gonna be a banana. It's still a carrot. Why use material components ranger library? Provides widgets that follows material components such as text fields, which is okay. It makes your code compile faster, maybe. Provides default ones you can directly use and customize. Automatic suggest ways for your app to look better. Okay, helps you quickly be beautiful user experience. I don't think I'm gonna pass. Yep. So this one's good. Oh boy. I fucking hate this. This is who I selected outright, but not all of them. Okay. This one. This one's probably both of them. Let's see if it's better. Yay. I know it's not XML because the XML files have XML at the back as a suffix. This one, foreground, background, and then OEM just cuts it, huh? OEM meaning probably the people who design the phone or design the system on the phone. Original equipment manufacturer, maybe. This one's okay. Yay, we finished it. Cool. Gonna end the recording. See you in the next video. I don't know if I really want to. I can do this within a day. If I really want to. It's okay with doing this and slow. Take our time. It doesn't really matter too much. Let's think of something to do. Oh, Sam, the programmer. I want my friend went from Stripe to this place. Not sure why. Damn. What the fuck? Really? That's scary. 16 years? Oh wait, I think I did really, because I didn't spell it right. Damn, that's pretty good. I think a lot has to do with I think a lot has to do with the stock price rising. This is probably like a new offer. Yep. This one's weird too. Why this one's a little bit nuts. Oh, sort. MLAI. That's pretty good. I'm like right here-ish. Yikes. 6 page of people. GG. Anyway, we end a little bit early today. Finish early. See ya.